Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check upload dates on YouTube Shorts on YouTube. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So simply all you need to do is just to go to your YouTube videos that you want, and basically for example you can just click here and let's just go back and we go for example to any video, and simply you can click on some kind of a video, and then you will be needing just to go here to the description, and then you will be able to check the dates from here. And basically that applies also on the shorts on YouTube mobile app. And basically all you need to do is just to go to the description, and basically here you will find the uploading date. So let's just do it. Let's just close this one and go to the shorts. And basically here we have this short that is showing here. And to see when this shorts has been uploaded, we will be needing just to click on the description. So as you can see, just go here, click on the description, and you will have this pop-up that will show up, or this menu that will be showing up and show you the uploading dates. So as you can see there here, this one has been uploaded on the 21st in February. And basically, you can also see the number of views, the number of likes here, and of course, this one can be hidden, etc. And those are some description, and those are the tags that has been added within these shorts. And basically, that's how uh, you can simply uh, see and check all the YouTube's content, either videos or shorts upload dates. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.